Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to change the border thickness of a text box in Word for cleaner and more professional and stylish document designs. Whether you want to bold borders, thin outlines or custom designs effects, this tutorial will show you the quickest method step by step. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now I go some down and create a text box. Go to the insert menu, click the text box option and create the draw text box option. Then create a text box, then I write something. Otherwise you can paste any text. But the text box border is so thick. Now you want to change the text box border thickness. Go to the format menu, click the outline drop down menu and choose the wide and increase the wide of the text box border. You can change the color of the border like red, yellow, blue, etc. Now you can see we change the thickness of border of text box very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.